Does your home feel a little more crowded than you'd like? Like there's never quite enough room to breathe? Small spaces can fill up fast, but the right essentials can completely change how your home feels. Today, we're exploring smart tiny home upgrades and space-saving furniture that add storage, function, and style without taking over your space. These clever finds help you maximize every inch, and you'll find all the links waiting for you down in the description below. Let's start with a smart solution that instantly frees up space: this retractable clothesline. Instead of leaving a bulky drying rack open all day, this wall-mounted design extends smoothly when you need it and retracts neatly back into its compact case when you're done. It's rust-proof, non-sagging, and built to handle daily laundry without loosening over time. Perfect for apartments, balconies, bathrooms, or tight laundry corners, it keeps your space functional without looking cluttered. You get full drying capacity without sacrificing floor space, and most versions are priced around $20 to $30. Now moving into laundry organization. This rolling laundry basket makes everyday routines feel lighter and far more efficient. Designed with smooth gliding wheels and a sturdy frame, it rolls easily from bedroom to laundry area without heavy lifting. The removable, washable liner keeps things hygienic, while its tall, narrow profile fits neatly into corners instead of spreading out. It keeps laundry contained, organized, and visually clean. Typically priced between $35 and $50, it's one of those upgrades that quietly improves both convenience and space management. If drying space is your biggest challenge, this tripod clothes drying rack offers a smart vertical approach. Instead of occupying wide floor areas, it builds upward with multiple wooden poles designed to hold garments evenly while allowing airflow for faster drying. The stable base keeps it secure, and the collapsible structure lets you fold it away when not in use. Ideal for apartments needing flexibility, it delivers generous capacity without permanent footprint. Usually available between $40 and $60, it's practical without overwhelming your room. Adding both comfort and function, this rectangular ottoman works beautifully as seating, a soft surface, or an entryway bench. Its clean, upholstered design blends easily into living rooms or hallways while giving you a place to sit, stage bags, or organize daily essentials. Instead of adding multiple pieces of furniture, this single item helps simplify your layout while maintaining style. It's compact but purposeful, making small spaces feel intentional rather than crowded. Most versions are priced between $50 and $70. For bedrooms where space is limited, this bedside storage organizer creates function without needing a nightstand. It straps securely to your bed frame, forming a convenient pocket for books, devices, remotes, or even a water bottle, keeping everything within reach while freeing up valuable floor space. It's especially useful in dorm rooms, studio apartments, or minimalist setups. Small addition, big difference in daily comfort. Usually priced around $15 to $25, it's an easy upgrade for better organization. Now here's a true space transformer, this wall-mounted folding table. It opens into a sturdy surface for working, dining, or crafting, then folds flat against the wall when you're finished, instantly giving that space back to the room. Heavy-duty brackets keep it stable during use, while the slim profile keeps the area visually open. Perfect for multi-purpose living, especially in studios or compact homes. Typically priced between $60 and $90, it delivers flexibility without permanent bulk. In the kitchen, this over-the-sink colander strainer turns an overlooked area into a productive workspace. It expands securely across the sink, letting you wash vegetables, drain pasta, or dry dishes without taking up precious counter space. That elevated function keeps prep areas uncluttered while improving workflow during cooking. It's simple, efficient, and easy to store when not in use. Most versions come in around $15 to $25 for this surprisingly impactful kitchen upgrade. Now check out this compact, yet incredibly practical add-on. This mini fridge is designed to bring convenience into spaces where a full refrigerator simply isn't realistic. Whether it's placed in a bedroom, office desk setup, or even used during travel, it keeps drinks, snacks, or skincare essentials perfectly stored within arm's reach. It also functions as both a cooler and a warmer, adding flexibility without increasing energy use or footprint. The small size blends easily into tight layouts without visual clutter, and most models are priced between $40 and $60. Right above your cooking zone, this magnetic shelf for the kitchen stove adds storage in a place most people never think to use. With zero installation required, it securely rests on the stove's back panel to hold spices, oils, or everyday cooking essentials, freeing up cabinet and counter space instantly. It's especially useful in small kitchens where every surface matters. The design feels built in while remaining completely removable, making it renter-friendly. Typically priced around $20 to $35, it's a fast and effective organization upgrade. To keep your sink area looking clean and controlled, this self-draining sink mat quietly solves one of the most common kitchen frustrations. Designed to channel water directly back into the sink, it prevents puddles, protects countertops, and creates a neat space for soap dispensers, brushes, or sponges. Instead of constant wiping and mess, everything stays contained and dry. It's flexible, easy to clean, and doesn't add bulk to the area. Usually available between $10 and $20, it's a small change that makes daily routines smoother. And hey, if you've spotted something that would fit perfectly in your space, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description below. Now let's jump right back into more smart, space-saving finds. Alright, moving on with this 3-tier freestanding wine rack offers vertical storage with a touch of style. Rather than spreading bottles across cabinets or countertops, it stacks them neatly in a compact footprint that doubles as an organized display. The slim structure fits beautifully into small kitchens, pantries, or dining corners without overwhelming the space. It keeps everything accessible while maintaining a clean visual flow. Most versions are priced between $25 and $40, combining practicality with a polished look. Now, bringing both style and hidden functionality, with this round storage ottoman works as a footrest, small coffee table, and storage solution all in one compact piece. The reversible lid transforms into a serving tray when needed, while the interior compartment keeps blankets, magazines, or everyday clutter tucked neatly out of sight. It's perfect for living rooms that need flexibility without adding bulky furniture. The sturdy build makes it practical as well as decorative, and most versions are priced between $50 and $80. To make better use of vertical kitchen space, this microwave shelf with storage adds structure without remodeling. It elevates your microwave while creating extra shelving underneath for cookware, jars, or small appliances, instantly freeing valuable countertop area. The open design keeps everything accessible while maintaining an organized look, especially useful in compact kitchens. It's simple, functional, and surprisingly impactful for daily use. Typically priced around $35 to $60, it's a smart upgrade for space efficiency. For a more permanent drying solution, this wall-mounted clothes drying rack folds out only when needed and disappears flat against the wall afterward. With multiple sturdy rods, it provides generous hanging space without occupying floor area, making it ideal for laundry rooms, balconies, or bathrooms. The foldable design keeps your space open while still offering full functionality. It's durable enough for daily use and usually available between $40 and $70. Keeping entryways tidy becomes easier with this shoe cabinet organizer featuring flip drawers and hidden storage. Instead of shoes piling up visibly, they're stored vertically inside a slim cabinet that maintains a clean, streamlined appearance. The design saves floor space while still holding multiple pairs, making it ideal for small hallways or apartments. It blends storage with decor rather than looking purely functional. Most models are priced between $70 and $100 depending on size. In the bathroom, this round wall-mounted cabinet with mirror combines storage and reflection in one elegant fixture. The mirrored front serves everyday grooming needs, while the hidden interior shelves organize toiletries, skincare, or essentials without crowding the sink area. Its circular design softens the look of the room while maximizing wall space efficiently. Perfect for smaller bathrooms needing both style and function, typically priced between $60 and $90. For relaxed living room convenience, this couch cup holder tray creates a stable surface right on your sofa arm. It holds drinks, snacks, or even a phone securely without requiring a side table, making it ideal for compact seating areas. The design prevents spills while adding function to furniture you already own. It's a simple addition that enhances comfort without taking extra space, usually available around $20 to $35. When storage needs suddenly expand, these vacuum storage bags provide a powerful way to compress bulky items like bedding, jackets, or seasonal clothing. By removing excess air, they dramatically reduce volume, allowing you to store more in closets, under beds, or suitcases. They're especially helpful for small homes where long-term storage space is limited. Durable and reusable, most sets range between $20 and $40 depending on quantity. Finally, this clear cord organizer keeps small appliances looking neat by managing messy cables that usually clutter countertops. It attaches easily to appliances like mixers, coffee makers, or air fryers, letting you wrap and secure cords neatly out of sight. That small adjustment instantly makes kitchens appear more organized and easier to clean. It's subtle but highly effective for visual decluttering. Most packs are priced around $10 to $20. And that wraps up these smart space-saving essentials designed to make small homes work smarter, not harder. If you found something you'd love to try, all the product links are waiting for you down in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clever home upgrades. See you in the next one!